I am an indigenous woman of this land. I stand in my private capacity, not as a corporate citizen and not under U.S. jurisdiction. This message is for educational purposes only. I'm not your attorney. I'm your cousin trying to put you on game. I'm not posting no screenshots, no PDFs, and no handouts. Everything you need is right here in the video, so pause it, replay it, and take your notes. Well, let's start here. A judge or lawyer cannot operate lawfully on this land unless they got all three of the following. The three things they must have: 1, a real constitutional oath of office, not that one to the state of all proof of American citizenship, recorded and verified. 3, a foreign agent registration, FARA, if they're operating under the bar, because that's British jurisdiction. If they're missing any of these, they are acting as a foreign agent, not a lawful public servant. That's why so many of y'all go to court and the judge won't even say the word Constitution because they're not standing on it. Now let's talk about the bar card, because baby, they fooled the whole country. The bar is not a license to practice law. The bar is a membership club. You pay dues, you pass their test, and they say you belong. But here's the truth. The bar is a private foreign organization. Most state bars trace their roots to the British Bar Guild. If you operate under foreign allegiance, you are required to register under the Foreign Agents Registration Act, FARA. See 22 U.S.C. paragraph 6111B. Also look up 28 U.S.C. paragraph 607. It says government employees can't practice law for others unless authorized by law. But guess what? No federal statute ever defines what a license to practice law even is, because there ain't one. You take that case and you move it to federal court. You got the right to do that under 28 U.S.C. para 1441, 1446, Notice of Removal, 28 U.S.C. para 331, Federal Question Jurisdiction, 42 U.S.C. paragraph 1983, Civil Rights Violations, 18 U.S.C. paragraph 242, Deprivation of rights under color of law. You file a notice of removal, serve it, and let them know. This case is now under federal jurisdiction. Real law, not corporate policy. And remember, statutes or corporate rules law also applies to the living woman or man. You not a corporate fiction. You not that all caps name. You the living, breathing, private person, and unless you consent, they have no jurisdiction over you. If you're ready to correct your status, stand in your indigenous identity and come out of their corporate system. Click the link in my bio and get started. And if this helped you, like this video, share it with your people. Subscribe, because truth like this don't stay up long when it hits the algorithm. This ain't about rebelling. It's about restoring. We reclaiming law. We reclaiming our names. We reclaiming the land. It's 2025. Let's walk in truth. Let's go.